Have you ever felt that life today is moving too fast? We are bombarded with technology, stress, and endless distractions. But what if I told you that ancient wisdom holds the key to restoring peace, balance, and purpose in our modern world? In today's video, we'll explore ancient rituals that have been practiced for thousands of years and how they can help us overcome the challenges we face today. These age-old practices aren't just relics of the past. They are powerful tools that can guide us to a more grounded and meaningful life. Stay tuned, because what you'll learn could change how you see the world around you. Let's start by looking at meditation, a practice that dates back thousands of years, used by monks and spiritual seekers across the globe. In today's fast-paced world, meditation has been proven to reduce stress, improve focus, and increase happiness. By setting aside just a few minutes a day to meditate, you can center yourself amidst the chaos. Start with deep breathing exercises, focusing on each breath, and allow your mind to find stillness. The beauty of meditation lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Even 5 minutes a day can work wonders on your mental clarity and emotional balance. Another powerful ancient practice is the use of sacred herbs and incense. Cultures throughout history have used natural elements like sage, frankincense, and sandalwood for purification and healing. Burning incense can transform the energy of a room, creating a peaceful and sacred space. Imagine returning home after a long, stressful day and lighting some incense to release negative energy. You will feel a calmness wash over you, making it easier to relax and recharge. The concept of rituals extends to daily routines, too. For example, in Ayurvedic traditions, starting your day with a ritual as simple as drinking warm water with lemon can have profound effects on your health. This helps to detoxify your body and boosts your immune system. Small rituals like this may seem insignificant, but their cumulative effect can make a big difference in your overall well-being. One of the oldest and most transformative rituals is journaling. In ancient times, people documented their thoughts, dreams, and challenges in journals or scrolls. Today, journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. By writing down your thoughts and experiences, you gain clarity, release pent-up emotions, and even uncover insights into your subconscious mind. Start by journaling about your day, your goals, or anything that's weighing on your mind. Over time, you'll notice that this simple act of writing can be deeply therapeutic and enlightening. Physical rituals like yoga and Tai Chi also have ancient roots. These practices not only strengthen the body, but also harmonize the mind and spirit. By dedicating time each day to stretch and move your body mindfully, you align your energy with the natural flow of life. Yoga, in particular, is a holistic practice that integrates breath control, meditation, and physical postures to create harmony between the body and the mind. The beauty of these physical rituals is that they are accessible to everyone regardless of age or fitness level. And let's not forget the power of gratitude rituals. Ancient cultures recognized the importance of expressing gratitude as a way to connect with the divine and cultivate a positive outlook. In modern life, a daily gratitude practice can shift your perspective and attract more positivity into your life. Simply take a moment each day to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for. This simple ritual can rewire your brain to focus on the good, even during tough times. These ancient rituals remind us of the timeless truth: simplicity is powerful. As we embrace these practices, we are reminded that we don't need to live in constant stress and overwhelm. Instead, we can choose to integrate these age-old traditions into our daily routines, adapting them to fit our modern lives. The result? A deeper connection to ourselves, to others, and to the world around us. If you found value in these ancient practices, why not make them a part of your daily life? Remember, it's the small, consistent rituals that make the biggest difference. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about bringing ancient wisdom into your modern life, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to a more balanced, fulfilling life starts with one small step.